Here we go guys, it's John here again. We've done a series of things about chainsaws and various things. We're going to do a little introduction now to Tool of the Week, which everybody's been looking forward to. Today's Tool of the Week is a 4-inch grinder or a 100mm grinder. It can be any make. You do get battery ones now, and I've got a mains one and I've had this for about 10 years. So that's how good they are. If you're going to get one, get a good one and you'll keep it for 10 years. Interchangeable blades on them. Most useful thing you can ever imagine. Simple to use. Normally they'll come with a grinding disc or a grinding wheel. That would be your grinding wheel. Connect your grinding wheel up. Tighten it up. And you use that to grind metal mainly. Cutting disc is what I use, a 1mm cutting disc. So if I'm going to cut metal, forget a hacksaw. If you can get in with a grinder, put a 1mm disc on it, give it a tighten up, and you're good to go. Protection. We need to have dust protection. You don't want to breathe the fumes that you're going to be cutting. You don't want to be taking that in. Eye protection, the most important thing. You must never use your grinder without eye protection. If you only get 2 eyes, you may as well look after them. You're not going to get another one if you lose one. So eye protection is the main important thing. Cutting discs come in various models. You can look for ones that's 1mm and they're good for stainless steel. A stainless steel cutting disc is excellent for cutting any metal you can get into. Flapping disc. The angle grinding disc is too fierce. This is too fierce to be grinding metal. Use a flapping disc. The flapping discs are much nicer, kinder to the metal, and you just take off what you need to take off. You can use this in wood as well. Moving on from that, we've got stone cutting discs. So if we're cutting concrete, stone, we can do it with this. Tile cutting discs. They're so versatile, these machines. So we have tile cutting discs, and you can do so much with it. So that's your basic tool for today. Angle grinders, guys. I tend to have a flapping disc on mine most of the time, just for cleaning metal up. Just make sure it's located, give it a little tighten, we're good to go. Put your eye protection on before you use it. Bye.